right now I'm at Tso Moriri at the camp called Yak Camp. They have around 19 tents here. Every tent they have a balcony and a sleeping room, as well as equipped with a toilet. I cannot call it luxury, but then at the height of more than 4,500 meters, whatever they are offering, all the amenities at the decor here is actually should be considered as a luxury. So if you are watching our video today, we'll be visiting some Changpa villages. Those who don't know what is Changpa is actually a tribe, the nomadic tribe who lives here in the Changtang Valley. Changtang Valley is divided into two parts. Half of it actually in Ladakh or in India, half of it is in Tibet. So we'll be shooting lots of cinematic videos today. If you are interested about what kind of stays they have in Tso Moriri Lake, please come with me. I'll show you my room and how does it look from inside. I'll show you also where we have dined today and yesterday as well, and the surrounding of the camp. The camp, once again, the name of the camp is Yak Camp, one of the best camps near Tso Moriri. Tso Moriri is just 5 minutes walk from here. So please come with me. How the camp looks like. Please come with me. I'll show you inside. This is the bedroom where I'll be spending my night. The bed also looks nice and comfortable. There's lots of blankets, nice pillow. So guys, this is the dining hall in Yak Camp where you can have your breakfast, lunch and as well as dinner. They also have a different setup for tea and coffee as well. And they have different kind of Indian as well as Conti dishes for the breakfast as well as lunch, dinner too. I'll just show you a few of them. You have parathas and breads, and this one is poha. You have mueslis and cornflakes as well.